Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to duplicate a page in your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can get started with creating one, and after logging in successfully and opening up your website, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side screen you can access all the sections you have such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started duplicating a page we want to use in WordPress. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. We want to open up the pages section. So you can either go ahead and click add new page, or you can just open up your pages where we're going to go ahead and take a look at the menu of the pages that we have. So here is the page menu where I can take a look. My pages have home and the thank you page, and now I can get started with copying one of them and duplicating it. Basically what we want to do is find the page we want to duplicate, click on the three dots right here next to the page name. That's going to go ahead and open up this menu where we can get started with editing what we need, and what we can do is click copy page. So you want to click copy page right here. That's going to go ahead and open up this editor mode where you can get started with copying your page. You can go ahead and create a new copy of your page. So once it open up, as you can see, it's going to be looking previous as your previous page that you have just opened up as a copy. So what you can do is edit it as you like, or you can just publish it to go ahead and save it to your pages. So clicking the publish button in the upper right corner is going to enable you to publish the page to your website, and it's going to go ahead and create a new copy of your pages, and it's easy as that, as you can see right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.